there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a chickpea pizza crust. So you will be needing some chickpeas. Soak them overnight or for 12 to 14 hours. Drain and transfer into a blender. Add a cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and blend everything together until a very smooth puree. Blend for approx 2 to 3 minutes, and this should be the consistency. Now grease your baking dish with an oil of your choice. Pour 1/3 of the batter onto the greased dish and spread it out thin. Make sure you spread it out as far as possible, as it will shrink when it bakes in the oven. The leftover batter can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Now bake the pizza for about 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until golden brown like this. Use a tomato sauce of your choice and spread it evenly on the base. For toppings, I'll be adding roasted vegetables, some sausages and an egg. This is just to give you an idea of what I usually make with this pizza base. But you can go creative and use whatever you would like as toppings. For the cheese, I've used a mix of Gouda and mozzarella cheese. And then bake in the oven for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And then it's ready to serve.